Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of whole numbers. This is third question of its exercise 2.3. So the question says that if the product of two whole numbers is 1, we can say that one or both of them will be 1. Justify through examples. तो हम examples के through देख लेते हैं पहले. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, तो सपोज फर्स्ट हम 1 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है 1 एंड इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 1 टू अनदर होल नंबर 5 तो प्रोडक्ट है हमारे पास 5. 1 को हम 18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट आएगा 18. सो व्हेन द बोथ नंबर विल बी 1 देन द प्रोडक्ट इज 1 and when the product the whole number except 1 is multiplied by 1, then the product is not equal to 1. Means only in condition when both numbers is 1, then the product of these is equal to 1. So if the product of two whole numbers is 1 only when both of them will be 1. Thank you.